Hold on to your hats, drone enthusiasts. Rumors are swirling around the internet about the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This tiny powerhouse is rumored to be packing a serious punch, with 8K video recording, a revolutionary AI-powered gimbal system, and even integrated 5G connectivity for ultra-fast file transfers and live streaming. We've scoured the web to bring you the latest leaks and speculations, from leaked renders and specs to insider whispers. Get ready to be amazed as we dive deep into the exciting possibilities of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Are you ready to capture cinematic masterpieces on the go? Then stick around for this thrilling ride. DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Design and build quality. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 introduces a sleeker, more ergonomic design compared to the Osmo Pocket 3, featuring enhanced grip materials for better handling. The new compact build is slightly lighter, making it more portable without compromising durability. The gimbal now boasts an upgraded stabilization system, ensuring smoother operation even during vigorous movements. A redesigned joystick layout enhances ease of use, especially for one-handed operation. Camera performance. The Osmo Pocket 4 comes with a larger 1-inch sensor, surpassing the Pocket 3's 1/1.7-inch sensor, which translates to improved low-light performance and sharper details. Its 4K recording now supports up to 120 frames per second, offering buttery-smooth slow-motion footage. The inclusion of 10-bit D-Log M color profiles provides greater flexibility in post-production, which was limited in the previous model. These upgrades make it a more versatile choice for videographers. Battery life and charging. Battery performance has seen a noticeable boost, with the Pocket 4 offering up to 160 minutes of recording time on a single charge, compared to the Pocket 3's 140 minutes. The newer model also supports faster charging via a USB-C 3.2 port, reducing downtime between shoots. This is especially useful for creators who need a reliable device for extended sessions. Intelligent features and tracking. The Osmo Pocket 4 introduces upgraded Active Track 6.0, which offers faster and more accurate subject tracking, even in crowded or dynamic environments. This enhancement is a leap forward from the Pocket 3's 5.0 version, enabling better focus retention on fast-moving subjects. Additionally, new AI-based editing tools simplify on-the-go content creation, making the editing process more seamless for users. Value for money. While the Osmo Pocket 4 comes at a slightly higher price point than its predecessor, the enhancements in camera quality, stabilization, and battery life justify the upgrade. For creators already using the Pocket 3, the choice depends on their need for the latest features, but for new buyers, the Pocket 4 offers a more future-proof investment. Conclusion. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, offering improved camera performance, enhanced stabilization, and longer battery life, making it an excellent tool for content creators. Its sleek design, advanced intelligent features, and seamless connectivity options cater to modern demands for convenience and quality. While the Pocket 3 remains a strong choice for those on a tighter budget, the Pocket 4's cutting-edge features and future-proof capabilities make it a worthy investment for anyone serious about capturing professional-grade video in a compact, portable form. So there you have it, the latest leaks and speculations surrounding the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This pocket-sized wonder promises to revolutionize mobile filmmaking once again. We'll be keeping a close eye on official announcements from DJI, so stay tuned for the latest updates. In the meantime, what are your thoughts on these rumored features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.